The content for this video was taken from the book Heal Arthritis Naturally for a Pain-Free Life. Special thanks to the authors for providing this information. You can find more videos on arthritis on our channel in the Arthritis Treatment playlist. At the end of the video, you'll find instructions on how to download free checklists, plans, and guides to support your arthritis recovery. So, let's begin the lesson.
3.2 Heredity and Genes.
When we think about joint disease, we usually picture age, injury, or lifestyle as the main causes. But for some people, arthritis develops primarily because they inherited certain genes from their parents. These genes influence how the immune system works, how tissues repair themselves, and even how strongly the body reacts to inflammation.
What heredity means in arthritis?
Heredity is the collection of traits passed from parents to children through DNA. DNA carries millions of instructions that determine how cells are built and function. Some of these instructions increase the likelihood of developing certain diseases, including different types of arthritis. Having unfavorable genes does not mean the disease will definitely occur. Instead, genes raise the risk, while outside factors, infections, injuries, hormonal changes may act as triggers.
Rheumatoid arthritis and the role of genes.
Rheumatoid arthritis, RA, is one of the best studied inflammatory arthritis. Research shows that people with certain variants of the HLA-DRB1 gene have a higher risk of developing RA. This gene helps regulate how the immune system distinguishes between self and non-self. In people with the risky version of HLA-DRB1, the immune system may mistake the body's own joints for foreign invaders, leading to chronic inflammation, pain, and gradual cartilage destruction. These genetic variants not only raise the chance of RA developing, but may also influence the severity. Some carriers develop RA earlier or experience more aggressive disease.
Psoriatic arthritis and hereditary links.
Psoriatic arthritis, PA, often develops in people with psoriasis, a skin condition with a strong hereditary component of its own. Here, the HLA-B27 gene plays a central role, along with several others tied to immune response. If psoriasis or PSA runs in the family, the chances of developing the disease are higher. Genes influence not just risk, but also the pattern of disease, which joints are affected, and whether it shows up as spinal involvement or finger arthritis.
Gout and genetic predisposition.
Since gout is caused by uric acid crystals building up in the joints, the risk is heavily influenced by how the body produces and eliminates uric acid. Genes that regulate kidney function and metabolism are key. For example, changes in the SLC2A9 and ABCG2 genes can reduce the kidney's ability to excrete uric acid, leading to higher levels in the blood and sharply increased risk of gout. This explains why some people develop gout even with moderate purine intake, while others never do despite heavier dietary exposure.
Ankylosing spondylitis and the HLA-B27 gene.
In ankylosing spondylitis, AS, heredity is especially clear. About 90% of people with AS carry the HLA-B27 gene. Still, carrying the gene does not guarantee disease. Many carriers never develop arthritis. But it greatly increases the risk and influences how the disease progresses, including spinal fusion and complications.
Osteoarthritis and family tendency.
Osteoarthritis, OA, is often seen as simple wear and tear linked to age or injury. Yet recent research shows that in some people there is a genetic tendency toward faster cartilage breakdown. Genes that affect the production of collagen and other cartilage components may be altered so that cartilage repairs poorly after strain. For example, changes in the COL2A1 gene, which encodes type 2 collagen, may weaken cartilage and accelerate OA even in relatively young people.
How genes and environment interact.
In most cases, arthritis arises not only from genetics, but from how genes interact with external factors. Carriers of HLA-DRB1 may develop RA after viral or bacterial infection. People with gout genes may have attacks triggered by dehydration or certain medications. Carriers of HLA-B27 may develop AS earlier if exposed to heavy physical strain on the spine. Doctors call this a multifactorial mechanism. Genes create susceptibility, while the environment determines whether the disease is activated.
Why genetic knowledge matters.
Understanding heredity helps doctors diagnose arthritis earlier. If a patient has close relatives with a specific type of arthritis, the doctor may suspect it even at the first subtle signs. Genetic research is also opening doors to future treatments. The goal is not only to ease symptoms, but also to target the disease at its roots. Scientists are developing therapies aimed at switching off harmful gene activity or adjusting immune responses based on a patient's genetic profile. For those who prefer a book version rather than video content, a great resource is the book Heal Arthritis Naturally for a Pain-Free Life. It's a full guide with real-life recovery examples, and it's available now on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to explore the Arthritis Healing playlist linked in the description below, along with other helpful resources. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep learning. We'll be here next time.